Hola guys, hi. I'm going to check the mail. Oh, it's kind of small. I'm going to check the mail. I just did my makeup, put my wig in a ponytail for right now. It's kind of cold out here. So yeah, just going to the mailbox. I don't have glasses on. I just heard a dog bark. We won't play those games. Okay, I think it's behind the fence. We don't play those games at all, homies. We don't play those games. Did my makeup so I could do some videos for you guys. It's so bittersweet. When I say this, it's gonna sound like I'm being cold, but I'm not being cold. But my daddy used to check the mail, and so because he's not here, it's a lot of mail in the box because I forgot about it. Like, I don't check no mail. Oh, so I forgot about the mail. But like I said, my dad usually checks it. So, but anyways, so yeah, nothing planned for today. Got on this sweater, this really Christmassy kind of glittery sweater. I'm not doing anything. I don't even have to cook. I mean, we may run to the store to get some garlic bread to go with our last night of spaghetti. But other than that, that's it. That's it. The family, or the husband and Missy, are just waking up from a nap. So, as you guys can tell, it's not a sunny day. You see how dark it is in the house. Huh? Starting to eat a muffin. Yeah, and I was drinking coffee too. Shoot. Oh.
I could have just went and got it.
I figured we were all just right.
Here's the cord.
Thank you, love. Excuse you.
Excuse me. Huh?
She's saying get something. You're gonna say hi to the people.
Good evening. And welcome to the Twilight Zone.
What? You're special. You're so serious right now. Are you sure?
Yeah.
Positive. I mean, if you are, I'll support you no matter what. You know, I got your back, boo. I got your back. Ooh. We are on our way to Chick-fil-A. Yep, and I accidentally ordered from one in Killeen in the Arca Heights. So it's a little further away, but oh my gosh. It's a little further away, but it's okay. Figure we make it a family affair.
It's a family affair.
Oh, happy Saturday, guys. So we're at home and husband is cleaning his IOTV. There you go. You guys can see that. Now, this is what he's doing because this is what he was told to do. So we're going to pass the message along for all my military personnel out there. But you have to scrub your dirty spots. He was told to scrub his dirty spots with dishwashing liquid. And then to take. Now, I don't know why nobody drinks this because all the extra stuff that is used for, I don't know why you would even want to put this in your body. Like, why would you do this to yourself, child? Now, so, here we go. Y'all ready? I'm about to show y'all what we talking about. This. Take some Coca-Cola and add the Coca-Cola to your dishwashing liquid. Dishwashing detergent, which is what we did. So let's see if y'all can see that.
Not dishwashing detergent.
That is detergent, baby. What you wash clothes with is, oh, sorry. Add it to your laundry detergent. My bad. So yeah, so I'm see if y'all can see inside this cup. So that is Coca-Cola mixed with 1 cup of dishwashing. I mean, look, I keep saying dishwashing. Laundry detergent, right?
Yep.
So now we put half the bottle. He put a little, like 3/4 of the bottle in a cup, and then I was like, well, you know, it's supposed to clean it, and the internet said to use 1 full can, but we went ahead. So I poured the rest of the bottle. I don't know if y'all can see that the water is kind of brown. I poured the rest of the bottle inside the washing machine so that it can clean out its stains. Now, Coca-Cola, I ain't never been a fan of Coke. Of course, growing up in Georgia, you go to the famous World of Coca-Cola, but I ain't never been like the biggest. I ain't never really been a dark pop fan. Sprite was always my favorite when I used to drink pop. So, but I just don't understand why something that you can use to clean the corrosion off of your car battery, which is just, batteries are full of acid. Why would you ever want to put something like that inside of your body? But I guess it makes sense because, like I said, on the flip side of never drinking Coke, I did smoke for 10 years. So, I mean, it's like you trade one, you trade one poison for another. But I would just never drink a Coke, but I also will never smoke a cigarette again either. But I would never drink a Coke. I'm going to show y'all this water from my husband dipping. So clearly, because he has to turn this back in before we get ready to go to Georgia. He has to turn this, the IOTV, which is, babe, what is it, just a bulletproof vest?
Yeah, it's your vest.
It's your, just a vest, or it's your bulletproof vest?
The bulletproof vest.
It's a bulletproof vest. You have to turn that in before you leave an installation when you're clearing. So, my husband took the cup away from me.
This is just the vest without the plates.
Y'all see how dirty this water is? Y'all see that? So, clearly the scrubbing it with dishwashing liquid works, because that water is nasty. So, you want the cereal? She's in the pantry. Can you say hi, guys?
Hello.
I got supposed to take your stuff out too.
Can you wave? Hello?
Hello.
Can you say, how are you?
Cake.
Baker's man. Don't lick that. That's nasty. You want some cereal? Now, this is one thing I am not going to miss about Texas. Do you guys see all of these birds? Like, look at the dang on the lines, the top of the building. Look at this. The tree right here. This is one thing I am not going to miss about Texas. Like, this is crazy. All these dang on birds. I should have got it earlier because it was oh, can y'all see that swarm coming? Look at that. This is bananas, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. Look at that roof. I'm going to zoom in so y'all can see that roof.
What is it about this area?
Look at y'all. Do y'all see this? Look at these trees. This is scary, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. unless you're here and you actually, like, I'm in the car, so it's not that bad. But outside walking, this is bananas. Like, look at that. They're gonna cause a fire. Look at all of them on the pole. Hey guys. You guys are like, girl, we see you in this hat almost every time you do a vlog, bitch. But yeah. But we are cleaning out, ma'am. We are cleaning out the garage. And Missy tried to run off. Go. Miss. Missy's trying to run away. Out here in her pajamas and stuff. Come on. So we gotta clean out the garage. And go through kind of what's trash, what's not trash. Yeah.
Most of that stuff is not trash.
So that's what we're doing. Or that's what Papa Bear is doing. What does that mean?
I just thumbs up.
Thumbs. You went like this.
Oh, I didn't see it. This basically, thumbs up. Cow numbers.
Anyway, so I'm in pajamas. Well, I'm in my pajama shirt. And look, I can't be on here letting y'all see that my hair is a mess. So we're gonna rock this hat. So it's almost all done. That's pretty much like everything. Can you guys see that? Everything that's going with us. And then go through the stuff. That microwave belongs to the house. Those paints belong to the house. So yeah, and then everything over here is pretty much some trash, some not trash, but yeah. So that's what we're doing along with inside the house. It's Monday, the physical day that companies are observing Veterans Day. So hubby's home making progress because we're leaving to go to Georgia to take Missy there. So we got to try to make sure we got everything taken care of for the most part. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.